What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today we're going to be taking a look at 5 must-have accessories for the brand new iPhone XS and XS Max, but this is the budget edition. Now, the first thing on this list, which I think is really cool, is a battery case. Now, Apple hasn't come out with a battery case for the iPhone X. It's only been for the 7 and 8, I believe. So now we have one for the iPhone XS. This also works for the iPhone X, which it was originally for, but it works great. It has 6,000 milliamp hours. It has a really low-key design, and I'll warn you guys, it really doesn't cover the face of the phone that much. So if you're looking for something with a lip around it, you're not gonna get that here, but it does work really well. It feels good in the hand. And what's really awesome about this is that the way to charge it is hallelujah with a lightning cable. We've seen a ton of these battery cases that require a micro USB, and that means you're walking around with that and a lightning cable if you want to just directly charge your phone. It's a lot. This one works with a lightning cable. It makes life a lot easier. And guess what, guys? Only around 30 bucks. So I actually picked mine up for 30 bucks. I think it might be 32 on Amazon right now. Either way, it's really inexpensive, and I definitely recommend this, especially at 6,000 milliamp hours. You're gonna be able to charge your iPhone at least twice over with this. And next on our list is a cool dock by UrAvgGF. And if you happen to be a huge Apple fan, you're deep in the ecosystem, you got your watch, you got your AirPods, you got your iPhone, this is the dock for you. And what I really like about this stand is that it has a premium feel. It feels nice and weighty. So even though you move your iPhone or try to take your iPhone off, you're not gonna be shifting this thing around. And it has that quality while still being inexpensive. You can find this in the $30 ballpark. And it's nice because you can charge 3 devices at once. Only downfall with that though is that you have to put your cables inside of it. So it takes a little work to set up, but overall it is absolutely worth it if you wanna just have something on your nightstand so you have all of your devices charging next to you when you wake up in the morning. Seriously, if you have all 3, this is definitely a good buy. Now, one of the biggest game changers on this list is this UrAvgGF USB-C power delivery wall adapter. And this is one of those things that we all wish Apple included inside of the box. The iPhone XS and XS Max are capable of fast charging, but Apple doesn't include a fast charger inside of the box, unlike other companies, unfortunately. But this one doesn't break the bank and it gets the job done. My girl Ari, who's right there, loves fast charging. I do too, but she's always stealing my fast charger so that she can get her things charged up really quickly. Don't be looking at me, Ari. But seriously, once you've experienced fast charging, you're always gonna wanna use it. And unfortunately, you will have to get the cable directly from Apple. They're the only ones who can provide a USB-C to Lightning cable that allows for fast charging. So you can get the 1mm version here, which is cheaper than the 2mm. If you want a more convenient way of charging, there's always the iAudi Ion Wireless Mini Fast Charger. Yes, that is also a mouthful. I don't know where these companies get these names, but this is a really cool little dock where you can actually just lay your iPhone flat down and have it wirelessly charged. And Apple actually improved the wireless charging on the new iPhones, so it's a bit easier to get it charging whenever you just place it down, and it also charges a little bit more efficiently. Now, the Ion Wireless charges at 7.5 watts, but for Android phones that support it, it can fast charge at 10 watts. So if you got your notes and those kind of phones, you can use it here as well. And I think iAudi offers a bigger version that has a USB port in the back. I think that's like their Charger Plus or something. But if you're looking for something with a little bit more flexibility, there's always that option as well. But the budget edition, you know, we gotta go for the mini. Keep the prices down. And for those of you who just want straight up cheap options to protect your phone, there are a ton of cheap but good cases for the iPhone XS and XS Max. There's more so stuff for the iPhone XS right now. XS Max, it's gonna take a little bit of time. I'm gonna include a few down below in the description for you guys to check out. They have them as low as 4 bucks, guys. What you've been seeing, the case that you've been seeing right now, $4 case. It's got the TPU so that it's lined to protect your phone when it drops on its corners or anything like that. So there are good cases out there if you don't want to spend a ton of money. And this one even has a clear back, so if you got that new gold and you want to show it off, you always have that option. But that pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. There's going to be a baller edition, so you gotta be on the lookout for that. And I'm also giving away a brand new XS and XS Max, so if you guys wanna enter into that giveaway, check the links down below in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.